You'll find the Mitsis Petit Palais right at the northern tip of Rhodes Island, just a quick walk from Elli Beach and close enough to the medieval old town that you can easily explore it whenever you like. This four-star hotel has built a solid reputation as a great mid-range option if you're looking for comfortable rooms without staying at one of those massive mega-resorts. It's run by Mitsis Hotels, a well-established group, and they've done renovations to keep everything feeling fresh, though nobody seems quite sure exactly when those updates happened. What we do know is that guests really like staying here, giving it an impressive 8.8 out of 10 on Expedia from over 400 reviews. The place manages to blend modern conveniences with that warm Greek hospitality you're hoping for, making it a practical home base for exploring Rhodes while still having enough at the hotel itself to justify spending a lazy afternoon by the pool. The rooms have been updated with contemporary touches, but they keep things straightforward and functional. You get air conditioning, which honestly isn't optional during a Rhodes summer, plus Wi-Fi that actually works reliably throughout the hotel. There's a flat-screen TV with satellite channels for those rare moments when you're not out exploring, and the mini fridge means you can keep your own drinks cold without paying those crazy resort prices. You'll find a safe for your valuables and coffee and tea making facilities so you can ease into your morning before heading to breakfast. The bathrooms come with hairdryers and dressing gowns, those little luxuries that make it feel like more than just a basic hotel room. A lot of the rooms have sea views looking out over the Aegean, which is genuinely lovely when you wake up to that incredible Mediterranean blue stretching to the horizon. The rooms are described as renovated, so you're getting a cleaner, more modern feel than some of the older hotels around Rhodes. While we don't have all the specifics about room sizes or exact categories, the amenities suggest a comfortable mid-range experience that works well for couples or small families. It's practical rather than extravagant, focusing on doing the essentials really well instead of trying to impress you with unnecessary gadgets or over-the-top design. The main restaurant runs on a buffet system for all 3 meals with pretty good variety. Breakfast goes from 7 until 10:30 with an American-style buffet plus a Greek breakfast corner where you can try local specialties. They have show cooking stations where chefs prepare things to order, which is much better than everything sitting under heat lamps for hours. Lunch runs from 12:30 to 2:30 with a full buffet spread, show cooking, and fresh pizza from a wood oven, which is a nice touch that makes lunch feel special. Dinner follows the same pattern from 6:30 to 9:30, giving you plenty of time to wander in after a day out. That wood-fired pizza oven is worth mentioning because it shows the kitchen is putting in real effort beyond just reheating frozen stuff. You'll find both Greek and international cuisine, so you can try local flavors one night and stick with something familiar the next if you're traveling with fussy eaters. The buffet works great for families and groups with different tastes, though if you're a serious foodie you might find it a bit generic compared to ordering from a menu. The pool bar is open from 10 in the morning until 6 in the evening, serving drinks and light bites with snacks and sandwiches available from 11 onward. They've got proper coffee and local drinks, so you can refuel without leaving the pool area or going back to your room. The outdoor pool is really the heart of the hotel during the warmer months, giving you a place to cool off without dealing with sand and salt. There's also a hot tub if you prefer your water warm and bubbly, which is perfect for relaxing in the evening after walking around ancient ruins all day. You've got beach access too, though there's some confusion about exactly how far it is. The official Mitsis website says 250 meters to the beach, while other sources suggest closer to 400 meters or about a 5-minute walk to Elli Beach. Either way, it's a short stroll rather than a long trek, and Elli Beach is one of the more popular spots on Rhodes with organized suns and water sports. Being close to the beach means you get both options. The pool when you want easy conditions and a bar nearby, and the sea when you want that real Mediterranean beach experience. There are loungers at the pool, and while the beach is public, the short distance means you can easily find a spot even when it's busy. You'll find the usual water activities at Elli Beach like jet skis and paddleboards, though these are run by independent operators rather than the hotel. The beach location on the northern tip gives you beautiful views across the water, especially at sunset when everything turns golden. They offer fitness classes on site for anyone who can't bear to skip their workouts even on vacation. There's also cycling available, which makes sense since Rhodes has some really scenic coastal routes and the terrain near town is relatively flat. The hotel doesn't seem to have a big gym, so the fitness options lean toward group classes and outdoor activities rather than a full weight room. This fits the overall feel of the place, which encourages you to get out and explore rather than staying indoors all day. The cycling is particularly nice if you want to cover more ground than walking allows but still experience the island more intimately than you would from a tour bus. There's a shared lounge where you can relax, read, or plan your next day's adventures without going back to your room. It's one of those amenities that doesn't sound exciting but turns out to be surprisingly useful, especially if you're traveling solo or in a group that wants to spread out a bit. The hotel has some kind of eco-certification, suggesting they're paying attention to environmental practices, though the specific details aren't widely publicized. For a hotel of this size and price range, any genuine effort toward reducing environmental impact is worth acknowledging, even if it's not the main reason most people choose to stay here. Spa and wellness facilities don't seem to be a big part of what Mitsis Petit Palais offers, which tells you this isn't a destination spa property. There's no mention of treatment rooms, massage services, sauna, or steam room in anything I've seen. This isn't necessarily a bad thing, as it keeps the focus and presumably the prices on core hotel functions rather than trying to be everything to everyone. If you're looking for serious pampering, you'd probably need to go into Rhodes Town where there are dedicated spas. The hot tub by the pool is about as far as the hydrotherapy options go, which is fine for casual relaxation but wouldn't satisfy someone planning a wellness retreat. Not having extensive spa facilities also means you avoid that awkward upselling that happens at resort spas where a single treatment costs as much as another night's stay. If you care more about location, comfortable rooms, and good food than spa services, this streamlined approach actually works in the hotel's favor by keeping things focused and the pricing more reasonable. If you absolutely need a massage after a long day of sightseeing, Rhodes Town is close enough that arranging something wouldn't be a major hassle. There doesn't seem to be much information about kids' clubs or organized children's activities at Mitsis Petit Palais, which suggests they take a more relaxed approach to family amenities rather than offering structured programs. Families are definitely welcome, as you can tell from the room setups and the buffet dining that works for all ages. The pool keeps children entertained, and the short walk to Elli Beach means families can easily spend days building sandcastles and playing in the waves. Not having a formal kids club might actually appeal to parents who prefer a quieter atmosphere without organized activities creating noise and chaos. The location works really well for families wanting to mix beach time with cultural exploration, since children often find the medieval old town genuinely fascinating rather than just another boring historical site. The wood-fired pizza is the kind of thing that appeals to everyone and makes family meals less stressful, and the buffet means even picky eaters can usually find something they'll eat. While the hotel might not offer babysitting or elaborate children's entertainment, the overall setup is family-friendly enough that parents can relax without constantly worrying about their kids disturbing other guests. The location of Mitsis Petit Palais is honestly one of its biggest strengths, positioned perfectly for exploring both the beach and the historical sites of Rhodes. The Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with its medieval walls and winding cobblestone streets, is just 1.5 kilometers away, close enough for an easy walk or a very short taxi ride. The Diagoras Monument is only about 400 meters from the hotel, and the deer statue that's become a Rhodes landmark is nearby too. Mandrake Port, where the Colossus of Rhodes supposedly once stood, is within easy reach, with harbor views and restaurants and cafes along the waterfront. Elli Beach is right there, roughly a 5-minute walk depending on your pace, offering organized beach facilities and water sports without any real travel time. The Church of the Virgin of the Berg is about 1.7 kilometers away if you're interested in religious architecture and Byzantine history. Rhodes Port is close by, which matters if you're arriving by ferry or planning day trips to nearby islands. Being on the northern tip of Rhodes Island means you're basically at the gateway to everything, with the airport about 20 minutes away and the rest of the island accessible for day trips. You could easily spend a week using this hotel as your base and never feel like you're wasting time getting around. Overall, Mitsis Petit Palais delivers a solid 4-star experience that prioritizes location, comfort, and value over luxury extras. The rooms are clean and well-equipped with everything you actually need, even if they won't inspire you to post photos of the interior design. The food is varied and freshly prepared, with that wood-fired pizza oven showing the kitchen cares about quality beyond just filling plates. Having both pool and beach access gives you flexibility in how you spend your time, and being so close to both Elli Beach and the Old Town means you're never more than a few minutes from something interesting. The high guest scores on Expedia, with more than half of reviewers giving it a perfect 10 out of 10, suggest most people leave happy with their choice. The weaker points are mostly about what the hotel doesn't offer rather than things it does badly. The lack of extensive spa facilities might disappoint wellness enthusiasts, and not having detailed information about room categories makes it harder to know exactly what you're booking. The conflicting information about beach distance is mildly annoying, though in reality the difference between 250 and 400 meters isn't going to make or break your vacation. The property isn't trying to be a destination resort where you never leave the grounds, and that focused approach is either a strength or a weakness depending on what you're looking for. What makes Mitsis Petit Palais stand out is the combination of location and value within the Mitsis Hotels group. You get the reliability of an established hotel chain without paying premium prices for a beachfront mega-resort. The eco-certification shows some forward thinking about environmental responsibility, which matters more and more to travelers who care about their impact. That wood-fired pizza oven is a surprisingly memorable detail that elevates the dining beyond standard buffet fare. Being so close to Elli Beach and the Old Town means you can genuinely walk to major attractions, saving money on taxis and rental cars while getting a more authentic feel for the area. The 24-hour reception and express check-in and check-out show they're thinking about practical traveler needs, especially important if you're arriving on a late flight or catching an early ferry. The smoke-free policy throughout will please non-smokers, though it's worth noting if you still smoke. Having car rental available on-site is convenient if you're planning to explore the island beyond walking distance, and the corner shop means you can grab essentials without leaving the property. These are small touches that together create a smoother, more pleasant experience than you might expect from a mid-range hotel. Conference and event facilities aren't prominently featured, suggesting the property focuses mainly on leisure travelers rather than business groups or large events. The shared lounge could potentially work for small meetings, but this clearly isn't a hotel built around conference business. For Rhodes, this makes sense since the island attracts mostly leisure visitors rather than corporate travelers, and the hotel's size and layout suit individual guests and families better than large organized groups. What guests seem to appreciate most is the friendly service and the practical advantages of the location. The staff at the 24-hour reception apparently handle requests efficiently, and the overall atmosphere is welcoming without being overly formal. The breakfast buffet with its Greek corner gives you an accessible introduction to local cuisine without pushing anyone too far outside their comfort zone. The pool area creates natural opportunities to socialize if you want to, while still offering enough space that you're not forced into awkward conversations if you'd rather keep to yourself. The short walk to Elli Beach means you can easily make multiple trips throughout the day, maybe starting with a morning swim, coming back for lunch and some pool time, then heading to the beach again for sunset. That kind of flexibility enhances your vacation in ways that a more isolated resort simply can't match, making Mitsis Petit Palais a smart choice for travelers who want to actually experience Rhodes rather than just occupy a hotel room near it. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.